Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make satsumaimo no nikumaki. It's satsumaimo, Japanese sweet potato wrapped with pork and cooked in teriyaki sauce. It's simple and easy dish to make, but satsumaimo adds volume to it and it's very satisfying. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this satsumaimo no nikumaki, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Thinly sliced pork loin. I have 16 slices today. Satsumaimo, Japanese sweet potato. 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin and sake. 1 tablespoon each of sugar and sesame seeds. And 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Let's cut the sweet potato first. I'm going to use it with the skin on to enjoy the color, so I washed it really well. Cut both ends off. Let's make diagonal slices. Then into sticks. Like this. And release them in cold water to stop browning. Then drain. You want some water left in the bowl, so you don't need to drain it well, just drain. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 6 minutes at 600 watts and toothpick can easily go through. Place some pork on the cutting board. Dust them with some flour. Some salt and pepper to taste. Place sweet potato sticks, 1 or 2 at the bottom, and wrap it up. And dust them with some flour. And just do the same for the rest. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And place them with the end of the roll facing down. And just cook them as you roll them from time to time until the pork is completely cooked. pork is well cooked on all sides. Now, let's add the seasoning. Sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Then keep cooking for another 2 minutes or so to thicken the sauce. Okay, turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve them on the plate. Pour the sauce left in the frying pan. Put some sesame seeds. And さつまいもの肉巻き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Crispy pork, fluffy sweet potato, and salty sweet teriyaki sauce. Everything is so well cooperated and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Satsumaimo no nikumaki is the main, so it goes here. And the main is kind of heavy, so let's have something light and healthy for the side dishes. So how about garlic wakame for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Plain rice here and lettuce miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.